Welcome to my channel. Now let's watch Doddabetta in Ooty. You can get snacks and beverages to warm you up in the cool weather. There is plenty of parking space. Sundal, made of hot boiled chana that is garnished, is a favorite snack of this place. Aromatic oils are sold here. Entrance ticket is 10 rupees. Doddabetta is the highest peak in the Nilgiris hills and one of the most popular attractions in Ooty. It is standing at an elevation of about 2637 meters, that is 8650 feet above sea level. Its name literally means big mountain in the local language, and it truly lives up to this title by offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. From the summit, visitors can enjoy sweeping vistas of Ooty town, rolling tea plantations, dense shola forests, and the distant plains of Tamil Nadu on clear days. One of the special features of Doddabetta is its unique natural environment. The peak is surrounded by rich biodiversity, including rare varieties of plants, shrubs, and medicinal herbs native to the Nilgiris. In the background, you can see Doddabetta Peak View Tower. Let's climb the Doddabetta Peak View Tower and see the scenic beauty of Doddabetta and aerial view of Ooty. In Doddabetta, it is very cold, so you should wear warm clothes when you go there. An observatory with powerful telescope is located at the top, allowing visitors to view distant landmarks and better appreciate the region's geography. This place is a paradise for nature lovers, photographers, and trekkers. The winding roads leading to the peak offer scenic beauty at every turn. Serene atmosphere, fresh mountain air, and unmatched views make Doddabetta a symbol of Ooty's natural splendor and a must visit destination for anyone exploring the Queen of Hill Stations. Here, many people go in for instant photographs. Here, small stalls and vendors sell local products. Some tourists pick souvenirs from here. I hope you like this video on Doddabetta. Thank you for watching and wish you good day.